Kelly Jacobs here, Head of Customer Experience and Conversion for Iceberg Digital, and today we're here to talk about contracts, so let's get started. First, click on Operations, and then on Contracts. Then you'll click on Existing Templates. If there's nothing here yet, please watch our video on how to set up your digital contracts. For now, I'm going to move into a company that already has contracts. Okay, in this section, you see a list of your contracts. You're able to email it out, edit it, or delete it. Today, we're going to email out the most popular contract. And once you click on there, you'll be brought to a page where you have to fill out the information. Up at the top is the name. You also have your sign by, which is the user. You can pick any user in your office. And this will be the user that has signed the document on your company's behalf. Down below you have tags. You can put in sales contract, lettings contract, or any tag you want associated with this particular contract. Over on the right you have expiry date. The expiry date is the last date that this contract will be available for someone to sign. Down below you've got email template that's being sent out. This goes out after a contact has signed the contract. And down below you have the contract. We have suggested that you put all of your T&Cs that don't change at the top, and then at the very bottom put in the information that changes from contract to contract, and that way you can quickly put in information and be ready to go. Down below you can search for a property or by the contact name, and in this section you will choose the contact profile. You're able to edit that contact profile at that time, so if this mobile number was incorrect or there wasn't a mobile number at all, you can click on this little edit button and fill out any information here. Click save and it will be ready to go. Down below, this is set up as a default, but you are able to edit, so you can choose what email goes out to the contact after they've completed the contract for you, and what SMS goes out to the contact. You can also choose what users get notified, so you can be notified as well as other users within the system. Once you've chosen all of this, you can either click on Quick Send, which will send out the default text of the email with the contract in it, or you can edit and send. Edit and send allows you to send just an email, or just an SMS, or both. You can also schedule this into the future. So if you wish to send out the contract in a couple days, you can schedule it for day and time. We're just going to click on send. And that's it. The email has been sent out, and you can wait for the notifications to come in. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please email us at support@iceberg-digital.co.uk. Have a great day, everyone.